Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. So today's video, as you can tell by the title, is going to be a review on a wig as well as an install. So it came to me in this really cute box that says Alipearl hair on it. And when I opened up the box, the hair was actually a lot cuter, but I opened it up prior. But the hair comes in a plastic bag, like a nice thick one, and it has a little sticker that tells you the length of the hair. Mine is in 20 inches. And it was really nice that they also included some other little goodies. They included some eyelashes, some extra combs, a little potpourri, and some jewelry. And even if these things aren't items that I would necessarily need or use, I just really love and appreciate when a company includes extra items, because it shows that they care about their customers and they put a little extra time and attention into it, which I really can appreciate. So as you guys can see, the wig comes with 3 combs on the inside, and it comes with adjustable straps, and it has lace in the front. And as you guys can see, this wig definitely has a clear yellow undertone, which is expected with 613 lace wigs. So what I went ahead and did was just use the Shimmering Lights like purple toning shampoo. I didn't use the conditioner because I didn't have it, so I just used some like regular Tresemme conditioner, and I just let the hair air dry, and then that's what I'm starting with. As you guys can see, the hair definitely has a cooler undertone. It is way less yellow. It's way more like white blonde and cooler, and I really love how it looks. It also didn't dry completely straight. It has like sort of a wave to it, which I don't know if Armani's gonna want to like straighten out or not. But yeah, this is the wig. I'm in my car right now. I just got to the hair salon, but I wanted to share with you guys what it looks like. So the salon that Armani works at is located in Brooklyn, and I definitely recommend, if you're in the New York area or even New Jersey, that you come check her out if you're looking to get your hair installed. So whether that be a full lace wig, a lace front wig, or a lace frontal and bundles, she also does make custom units, so like wigs, and she can like pluck the hairline. So yeah, definitely check her out and let her know I sent you guys. She's amazing. So yeah, definitely check her out. I'm gonna show you guys now how she actually installs it and styles it in my head.
Hey guys, my name is Armani. You can follow my Instagram at Armani Aesthetics. I do hair, I lay frontals, closures, and regular sew-ins.
Yes, guys, she's amazing. I'm gonna have everything linked down below. Also, guys, look how cute this is.
Like in here.
Hey guys, so it's actually 2 days post the install. I wanted to just come really quickly and end off the video by sharing with you guys my final thoughts on the hair, the wig itself, and everything like that. So just starting off with the hair, this is a very affordable wig, so I definitely recommend if you're looking for an affordable human hair blonde wig. I believe if you get the shortest length, the hair is like the wig is like $128. And then they do offer up to 26 inches. I don't know if you guys can tell or not because the hair is curled, but I did cut off about like an inch of the hair just because I don't know if you guys could tell in the clips also. I felt like the hair came to kind of like those thinner ends, you know what I mean? And this hair is, I feel like, a natural density. I wouldn't say it's super thick. I mean, it's curled. It does advertise as 150 density, and I don't know if I can stand by that. I feel like it's a good 120 density wig. It definitely looks natural in terms of it looks like natural hair. I don't know if I like how to explain that. Like, obviously it's human hair, but I feel like it's not like overly lustrous. It's not like overly like just super thick. Like, it looks very natural and full, but it kind of looks like this could be like my actual natural hair, if you guys know what I mean. I don't even know how to explain it. Like, I guess because it like has a natural density, and even the hair texture isn't like super silky like you guys saw in the original clips. When I dried it, it kind of air dried like wavy, but I feel like the hair has a little bit of texture to it, which makes it look really natural. Like, I'm trying to get at like a good thing, but I feel like I'm saying bad things. But I feel like because it's not like overly thick and super like lustrous, it actually looks really natural, which I actually really like. At first I was kind of like, you know, you guys know I love big hair, but I feel like it makes it look like so much more natural. Like, this looks like if I were to like bleach my natural hair this light and then straighten it and curl it, this is like, I feel like exactly what my hair would look like, which I really love. But yeah, one thing though that is a little weird about this wig is that it actually is on the smaller side, and I tend to always get really small wigs, and then even then I always have to tie the adjustable straps really tight. But Armani, when installing this, she had to actually like detach the frontal part from the wig to install it properly, and then she went back in and like sewed up the wig back together. So I feel like if you are someone who has an average or larger head, this may not work for you, which is actually a little weird. Like, I've never had a wig that was too small for me. Usually they're always too big. So that is something that's a little weird, but I feel like if you are trying to get this look, definitely just check out their website because they do offer frontals and bundles. So you guys could just get like a frontal and then just have bundles installed and sew it in, or make a wig. And again, check out Armani because she does make custom wigs for you guys. She does make custom wigs, so if you guys are interested in something like that, you can definitely contact her. She also does sew in, so she could just install like the frontal and the sew-in. But yeah, it was so nice. As you guys can see, the salon was so cute. I like loved it in there. She did such a good job. I never like let anyone install my hair, and it feels so comfortable, and it was just a really good overall experience. She's so good at what she does, and I just love it. I feel like it looks so good. So yeah guys, if you have any other questions, be sure to leave a comment down below, and I will have the link to this hair as well as everything based on the website and everything, and all their links. I'll even link down below their closure and their bundles if you guys want to check that out instead of getting the wig. I'll have everything linked down below, as well as all of Armani's information and the salon that she works at, as well as the other hairstylist at the salon, because she does make custom wigs as well. And as you guys can see here are some of the ones that she made recently. She made a long straight black wig, a pink one that she actually just did some like bouncy curls to, and then there is also a gray wig which she curl wanded. So yeah, I'm like obsessed with all of it. They do amazing work at this salon, and if you're interested, I'll have everything linked down below. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it informative and helpful. Be sure to give it a thumbs up if you did, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.